Here we've got Denver SDQ-52001G, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first we would use secret code to open IMEI numbers assigned to your Denver. To do it, just open the phone dialer and then enter secret code, which is *##06#. And here you've got both IMEI numbers assigned to your Denver. Tap on OK to go back. And now we will open also those IMEI numbers, but with serial number as well, through the settings. So firstly, open list of all apps, then go to the settings, go to system then, and click on about phone. Now select status. And here under IMEI information, you will be able to check those IMEI numbers, and a bit lower, you've got serial number included right here. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.